Let's do Midnight Sun by Nilufer Yanya, and this is an open D tuning. So I'll give you the tuning notes first. DADGAD, DADGAD. It's named after a dad who was named Gad. No, it's named after the notes. So when you play this, it's an open D. This is a D chord. You could strum it like this if you're trying to sing it. I remember everything. First riff is played at the 7th fret on what is your normally your G string, your 3rd string from the highest. So I'm just holding down that 7th fret and then playing the 2 open strings below it. Then I go to your B string and I slide 7 to 9. You're just kind of letting the other strings ring. And then the second time it just goes to the, it doesn't slide up, it just stays on the 7th fret on the B. Okay, so we're and then we have a second part to this. That part is we're just barring the 5th fret. We're just going to talk more frets here because then you go 4th fret. Do it to drop the rain. And then we go. This is like your B bar chord. If you find that difficult, you can just kind of fake it on G, B, and D strings. So that would be. You're doing some muting. But if you can, get this bass note in there. And then we go to the 2nd fret. I find it easier to do it with my 3rd finger. And you're not playing the high strings. When you're barring these, you're just kind of playing D, A, and your low E. These are kind of muted. You're not playing those high strings on this part. Especially on the 2nd fret, you're kind of just doing like like a power chord. Just playing the low E and the A. If you get the D in there, it's okay. Right, that's kind of like a pre-chorus, I guess. Here's the chorus. My best machine, always I do it for you. All right, that's the chorus. Let's go over that. Okay, it's what you're doing is at the 5th fret, you're playing what is your A string normally, and you're playing the D string, just like a power chord, just those 2 strings. Everything else is open. Then you slide the shape up to the 9. And then the 12. When you're at the 12, just play the top, just play the top 3 strings. So, but on the 7, the 9, you can play all the strings. But then we do our 1-finger bar chord, power chord, at 7th fret. Slide it down to the 4th fret. Then it starts over. This is like doing the same thing, except just on the top strings. So you can play it that way if you want to. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye-bye.